Hey, hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and you probably might be coming on my channel wanting to learn how to do YouTube automation. And to give you the bad news, I'm actually not doing YouTube automation business anymore because of a lot of issues been happening on YouTube recently. There has been a lot of channels getting demonetized. They've been getting copyright strikes, and to be honest, the only people actually making a lot of money who are actually selling me the course and the program. Or unless if you like Mr. Beast, right? You actually a branded channel, and that's how you're getting most of your audience, right? But if you go on my channel, I have made a lot of money on YouTube, right? And I've also made a lot of people successful with the YouTube automation business model. So if you go on my channel, if you click on these are all my clients that I've actually done an interview with them. And you can also see my results here, right? From the time I started till last year. I've been doing heavily on YouTube automation. And another business, what I was also doing together with YouTube automation was affiliate marketing. Okay, I was really loving it. The process was automated, but when my channel started getting demonetized, I started getting copyright strikes, and team members actually leaving. Then I had to find other team members, and it's just a cycle that wasn't even leading me anywhere, right? So that's when I actually decided I started finding different ways you can be earning, but I just wasn't ready to be pursuing something that wasn't guaranteed. I was looking for guaranteed ways to be making income online, okay? And but this platform that I've actually recently found, I've been making a lot of money using this platform, and that's what I'll be sharing with you. So make sure you stay all the way throughout the video, right? And I'll also be sharing with you my results. So let me go to my channel and show you my results on this amazing platform that I'm actually using. So here you go, $25,000 per month. You can see 4,500 in a single day, right? And in here I actually explain multiple income streams, right? Different income streams this platform actually pays you, right? And another $1,000 per day. So, and in here you can see my journey and how I actually got started. But if you want to dive deep into it, right, you'll see, so if you go to my playlist, you'll click on this, and in here I pretty much done a whole playlist about this amazing business model, right? How I'm actually earning this from this actual platform, and how you can actually do the same, right? You don't need any previous experience or any special skills. You can literally get started with this system and start to make that awesome income from your online business. Okay, so what you're gonna do is I'll leave a link for this actual platform, right? The platform I'm actually using to be making guaranteed income in the online space. So you can go right beneath this video, the one you're watching now, go beneath the description and the first link, click on that, which will actually bring you to this page here, right? This is the platform that I'm actually using to be making income in the online space. So you're gonna just fill out all these details, right? Make sure it's all the correct details, and then create an account. And after you have done that, the company will actually send you a Gmail, right? Make sure it's a Gmail, because if you provide Yahoo or Outlook, you won't be able to read that email and won't be that clear. So make sure you provide your Gmail. Go to your Gmail. They will give you all your login details. So go to your Gmail and then go to here. Then you're gonna sign in, and then you're gonna log on to the platform, right? Also, I wanted to show you something else. Single day I made $1,300. This is just I posted yesterday. So here's the proof. Okay, and on the smaller account I've actually already made $10,000 just on my small account, right? And every single day I am posting results So you can go and check it out for yourself. Another $1,000 day, right? This was not so long ago too. And I'm pretty active on Facebook. You can see here, one of my account, I'm getting like $66.50 deposited every single day on my account, without me doing a single thing, right? This is the reason I'm actually loving this platform a lot, compared to all the other things I've done. Drop shipping, that's what the business model that I started back in 2015, 2016. Then I jumped into doing YouTube automation. Then I combined YouTube automation together with affiliate marketing, right? But I was doing great, but it wasn't a guaranteed way for me to be earning, right? YouTube automation, I was making like probably $500 in a day. Maybe next day it will drop to like $50, $20, So it wasn't that consistent, but now the system that I've actually found is like really, really consistent, and I'm loving every bit of it, right? And I believe anyone can succeed utilizing this platform. So all you have to do is just create your account. I'll also leave a blog post for this platform. You can actually go and read about this and see how I'm actually generating income from this actual platform. You can just read the whole blog post. If you want to get in touch with me, I'll also leave my Facebook link in the description section. You can send me friend request, and that way I can actually jump on a call with you and share with you how you can actually get started. I'll walk you through like step by step what you need to do, and how I'm actually making guaranteed income from this actual platform. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking out your time out of your busy day to watch my video. It really means a lot to me, and I cannot wait to speak to you very, very soon. God bless you, and may you have a awesome day. Bye for now.